This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a taco rice bowl. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, 2 cups of uncooked rice, and 1 packet of taco seasoning. For fresh toppings, prepare 1 head of lettuce, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 1 small onion. Don't forget 1 cup of shredded cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of salsa to finish your amazing meal. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by browning your 1 pound of ground meat in a large skillet until it's fully cooked through, then drain any excess fat. While the meat cooks, prepare your 2 cups of rice. Follow the package directions for perfect fluffy grains. Once the meat is browned, stir in 1 packet of taco seasoning and 1/2 cup of water, simmering for 5 minutes. With your main components ready, it's time to build your delicious bowl. Grab a serving bowl and start with a generous base of about 1 cup of warm, fluffy rice. Next, add a hearty scoop of your perfectly seasoned taco meat right on top of the rice. Then, layer on fresh shredded lettuce and diced tomatoes, adding a wonderful crunch and freshness to each bite. To complete your incredible taco rice bowl, it's all about the toppings. Sprinkle about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese generously over your bowl. Add a creamy dollop of sour cream, approximately 2 tablespoons, for a cool contrast. Finish with 2 tablespoons of your favorite salsa for that extra tangy kick. Serve your masterpiece immediately and enjoy every single flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.